Paul, DIY waterproofing. We've got a product here that we'd like to share with you because we've been selling our liquid rubber over here in the corner. You all know that very well and everybody buys that one. Fantastic product to be used when it's dry and warm and fuzzy. What do you do when it's winter? Well, come up with this one. Wet Shield. Ripper product, I like it and I want to share it with you. I've got stocks here, we're selling it and we've been playing with it. In fact, I've been playing with this for about 5 or 6 years and I've only recently became involved with it, that we're selling it off the shelf. Terrific product. It's able to be used in the wet weather, so that's why I'm talking about it now. Here we are in the middle of winter, it's pouring down rain outside. What do you do if you've got a roof leak? Well, you grab a bit of this product, and we've got a couple of samples here that I can show you. Just a small example is a bit of roofing with a penetration. That screw might have been leaking in the rain. You can get up there whilst it's raining, if it's safe of course, you know, the usual. Make sure you got your non-slip boots on, climb up in there, open up a tin of the old Wet Shield here, dip your brush in there, dab it on whilst it's raining. It's pouring down rain, right? Pouring down rain. You can put this on, instant stop a leak, right? Bob's your uncle. Climb down off the roof, everything's happy, clean up inside, you're laughing. Then you can come back and address this later on if you want to. Usually what we would recommend is after this is fully cured, say for about one or 2 months, come on with the liquid rubber over the top of it and protect it for 30 years and then everything's honky-dory. Now, with this one, actually I've got this little tin here. I've had this tin around for about 5 or 6 years. Let's just open it up, have a look at it. Now, okay, we've been using this as samples. Just grab something here to play with. Now this has been 5 or 6 years, but look, this product's still as good as it was the day it was made, right? Look at that, perfecto. That's so you can have a tin of this sitting on your shelf like this. Has been sitting around 6 years. Customer comes in and I just play with it. In fact, I've given a few of these little ones away. I picked up at a trade show years and years and years ago. And I've given it to them to get them out of trouble because they came in here looking to use liquid rubber. And I said, look, mate, you can't put that up on your roof while it's raining, but you can use this. So I've said, yeah, run away, a little tin of that, fix his problem, come back and bought the rubber later on. So, that's what this is about. Grab a tin of this, have it sitting in the shed. If you're a homeowner, particularly with metal roofs, it'll do concrete roofs as well, it'll do concrete tiles, it'll do masonry, it'll do brickwork. You use it on pretty much everything you like, right? So grab a tin of this, have it sit in the shed, leave it sealed, and then when you get that call, if you're a landlord, say, and you do your own maintenance, you can say, righto, I'll be out there in half an hour, grab your tin, off you go, arrive with this and your safety equipment to get up on the roof, repair the roof, and your tenant's happy. What else could you do? That's great. Anyway, I'll leave that one with you. We've got a lot of information here on the website. You'll have a data sheet plus this brochure which explains the whole shebang. Come and talk to us and get your can of Wet Shield. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.